Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to tell you about an untold secret that even your highly trusted YouTuber are not going to tell you. That thing I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch this video very carefully, because as a trader, especially if you are trading in pocket option, then you need to know this. Okay, I feel my responsibility to tell you because I know this and lots of you don't know it, and even your highly trusted YouTubers are also not telling you or not accepting it in their YouTube videos. Okay, I've seen lots of YouTube videos um, that are made by lots of trusted YouTubers in the field of binary options, and they are also even not telling it. Okay, so what I am assuming is you are a trader in pocket option and you have joined some free Telegram group to get signals. Okay, whenever you join these kind of Telegram groups, then what the owner of the Telegram group, what they say is they will take you to the VIP and you are going to get more signals in order to trade. Okay, to make profitable trades. And when you message them, then they tell you to create an account with their referral link, and you agree it. Okay, and you create your account and you go back and tell to them that I have created account with your link, and then they will tell you to deposit. Okay, either $10 or maybe minimum is $50, and some even charge like some even tell you to deposit up to $500 if they are giving you copy trading service. Okay, I've heard those things because I was doing research in order to make this video. Okay, by taking the responsibility, I feel that as a trader you need to know these things. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, and you join their VIP and you start to trade, and the reality you know by itself. Okay, what's going on there. Now by joining this VIP, I think very few of this VIP group are genuine. Okay, most of them are like worst. I've seen it. Okay, they are worse. Okay, and there is a reason. Okay, if they could also do good for you, they will not do it. Okay, and because the main reason, when you join the pocket option with their link, then you are going to be under his or her affiliate link. Okay, so now you may not know about the affiliate marketing. And what actually affiliate marketing means is they are going to get paid up to 80% profit sharing. Okay, so now listen to me carefully. Okay, profit sharing, what does this means? Let's say you deposit $1,000 in the pocket option by creating an account from someone's affiliate link. You created account, you deposited $1,000. Okay, and let's say you made trade, you made some profit, you made some loss, and let's say finally after a few months or few weeks, few days, you lose all of your $1,000. Then the man that provided you that affiliate link is going to get paid up to $800 from the platform. That is called affiliate marketing. Okay, and you can simply search on Google for pocket option affiliate program. Now this is not something unethical that pocket option is doing. Okay, affiliate marketing is around everything. Okay, this is a way to promote a platform. Okay, a product, a service. They use affiliate marketing. So for example, if you see for weight loss product, you can see just type weight loss product affiliate program. Whatever you type here and just type affiliate program, there are affiliate program of each. Okay, and anyone can promote pocket option. Okay, and get paid up to 80% commission. Okay, minimum is 50 and 80% commission. Okay, they get paid, but what they actually say is they will get paid up to 2% from your trading volume. That is also true. Okay, that is also true. They do have volume sharing offer. Okay, where they get this 2% of net turnover. Here you can see 4% net turnover, 2% regular, 4%. Okay, 4% up to 4% net turnover, 2% net turnover in volume sharing. This is also true, but additionally they will also, if they are VIP, they can, you can see here 3% net turnover, 55% revenue sharing. Okay, and because they get paid, okay, on a commission basis from the profit of the platform. Okay, so what is the profit of the platform? So if you lose trade, okay, and if you empty your balance, or let's say you deposited $1,000 and you lose $500, then up to 80%, the person who have given you this affiliate link to create an account, he or she will get paid. Okay, so this is extremely important for you to know. Now that doesn't mean that the platform itself is worse. It is a marketing strategy of a platform. Okay, and every binary options broker use this strategy to promote their platform, so that many YouTubers, many bloggers promote their platform, okay, and they get business, they get people, okay, customer who are you, okay. Now there are few things that you need to learn from this, okay. See, if you are continuously losing by making trade on yours by yourself, okay, then you need to stop trading. Now either follow someone who is genuinely providing you signals with high win rate, okay, or whom you think is a genuine person who can help you to make profit in not only in short term, okay. In short term there can be loss, okay. You see the long term, the person who can grow your account, and if you are looking for that kind of person whom you can trust, then you can join my free Telegram channel where I provide my free signal to you, okay. And if you want to do copy trading, automatic copy trading without getting any signal, okay, you will be making trade automatically. Whenever I trade on my chart, that same trade will be executed in your platform or in your pocket option account, okay, by using this social trading feature. Then there is that option also. The details of that thing is written inside my free Telegram channel. You can read it, and if you think it is good fit for you, then you can join it. And yes, one important thing, you don't need to join to pocket option by using my link in order to join my VIP, okay. There are other conditions that you can see, and if it is good fit for you, then you can join it, okay. It's your choice. Otherwise you can enjoy my free Telegram free signal in that free Telegram channel, okay. So one thing you can do that, okay. So now another thing what you can do is, if you are if you know the strategy that is working for you, okay, and if you have the intention to help people to make profitable trades, then what you can do is you can start a YouTube channel. Now whenever I say this, people their mind will say, no, I can't start a YouTube channel. Why it is so hard? See, I'm showing you the screen at here and I'm talking from background. I'm sharing with you my knowledge, and if you are watching this, then you are getting some sorts of help either from this YouTube video or in my free Telegram channel, right? So if you have that intention to help people, to help them to move them in the right direction, then you can start a YouTube channel. Now there is a benefit for starting YouTube channel. You can get paid with Google by Google AdSense. YouTube will pay you for the more people that watch, okay, watch your videos, okay, and they will play the ad in their video. There are conditions, okay, which you need to follow, but not only to earn money, okay. If you have the intention to help other people, other binary traders who are new, okay, who are totally backward from yourself, from you, then you can try to help them by making videos, okay, either strategies video or tips and tricks videos you can create, okay, this kind of video. And if you want to take reference on what kind of video you need to make, then you can watch other people's video and get an idea on what type of video you can make on YouTube, okay. And you can also promote affiliate, I mean you can also promote pocket option by using your affiliate link, okay. So in the starting time when I started to promote pocket option affiliate program, then I used to get a link, okay, by signing up to this platform by clicking on become a partner, and there are a few steps, then you can easily become a partner, and you can put that affiliate link below your YouTube video. Now one of the easiest way, I'll show you how you can promote this platform. So as you can see, this is one of my video that I have created in the past, okay, how to create and verify your pocket option account. And below this video I have given a affiliate link, okay, which people use in order to create account on pocket option by seeing the video tutorial, okay. And I have made good amount of money just by making these videos. As you can see here, 6.3k people have watched this video, okay, and few of them have signed up and deposited, okay, and made some trade, and maybe they have lost their money, or with the volume sharing 2%, I have get good amount of commission by just this single video, okay. So now you can create videos like this by yourself, okay, which is not hard, okay. And there is another option. What you can do is, if you don't want to start your own YouTube channel but still you want to promote your affiliate program, okay, for this pocket option, then you can message people, okay, we have this kind of channel who are teaching about binary options. You can tell them, okay, I want you to create this kind of video and I'll pay you a certain amount, anywhere from $70 to $100 they will charge you. Okay, and and if you are in my free Telegram channel or in my VIP group, and if you want me to create a video, okay, and put in my channel, and below that video if you want to put your affiliate link for pocket option, then you can message me. I will charge $100 for one video. I'll create that video, I'll upload it in my channel, okay, and in the description of that video I'll put your affiliate link. If you want that service, then that is available. Okay, you can message me for that also by joining my free Telegram channel, which is the link for this will be in the description of this YouTube video. You can click on it and join my free Telegram channel and message me. Okay, don't ask me lots of questions, okay, because I can't just keep on replying to random questions. Okay, if you want to do this, then be exact and message me, and I will definitely help you to promote your affiliate link for pocket option. Okay, or you can start your own YouTube channel, okay, and see other people video, what are they creating, okay, and create this kind of screen recording video and promote your affiliate link in the description of this of your YouTube videos. And lastly, if you are totally an expert, okay, and you can create YouTube videos, then what you can do is you can start your own VIP binary signals channel, okay, and you can provide them signals, okay, for a specific pricing, or maybe you can also do the same thing, okay, like other people do. Make people create account under your link, okay, and help them to trade in a profitable way. And if you want to join my VIP binary channel and start to do copy trading, then do join my free Telegram channel firstly and read all the instructions that you need in order to join my VIP and BIP copy trading. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.